Russia is losing 15,000 troops a month, trying to conquer territory in Donetsk and failing. And Ukraine is being asked to just hand it over for free. Today, we're talking about the peace deal Ukraine literally cannot accept and why Russia is counting on that. Here's what's being proposed. Give Russia heavily fortified territory that they haven't been able to win militarily. Shrink your own military. Promise never to join NATO and put it in your constitution. And in exchange, vague security guarantees. But Zelensky cannot stay in office and accept these terms. It's politically impossible. Ukraine's recent corruption scandal doesn't make Zelensky more flexible. It actually makes compromise more difficult. A weakened president cannot make major concessions, and Ukrainian soldiers overwhelmingly reject this plan. The public increasingly believes they're being pressured into an unfair deal. So if Zelensky signs away territory Russia couldn't conquer, his own people will remove him. The reality on the ground is that the war is crushing daily life in Ukraine, but accepting this deal doesn't end that suffering. It kind of guarantees that Russia will invade again. Let's compare that to South Korea. After division, it remained viable because America committed troops and real defense guarantees for decades, which deterred North Korea. Ukraine needs something similar, because without credible security, what's going to happen? Ukrainians will flee, investors won't rebuild, the economy will collapse, and Russia just waits. But this plan bans NATO membership, caps military capacity, and offers promises from an administration that could easily change its mind. So Ukraine would give up fortified defensive positions, the exact positions that are keeping Russia from advancing, in exchange for hoping Russia doesn't attack again. And Russia knows Ukraine can't accept these terms. That's the whole point. Putin isn't negotiating in good faith. He wants to look reasonable, but ensure rejection, which is why Britain, France, and Germany met with Zelensky in London to coordinate their own approach. Europe is stepping up because they see what's happening. They're funding the war. They understand territorial concessions without real security guarantees just means Russia invades again. American funding for Ukraine has really dropped. Europe is now providing the weapons, the money, the economic backing. But the US is still trying to dictate peace terms. Russia demands territory it couldn't take by force. Ukraine needs guarantees that won't evaporate. Europe keeps paying but is getting sidelined. And the fundamental problem that no one solved? How do you convince Ukrainians their country will be safe when the deal itself makes them defenseless?